Mike Hughes here. I'm at Belize Splash Dive Center with Patricia. And you want to tell us a little bit about your operation?
Hi, welcome to Belize. My name is Patty and I'm the owner of Splash Dive Center in Placencia, and I would like to invite you to come visit us. Remember, Belize have the second longest barrier reef in the world, have 3 of the 4 atolls in the Caribbean, and amazing diving and inland adventures. So wait for you in Belize.
And just to show where we are, we have Belize City up here, Dengrega here, but we're down in Placencia, which is way down here. As you can see, there's a lot of wild animals in this part of the country, and the
whale shark.
Whale shark only goes down there, right?
Of course.
Or mostly down there, right?
Mostly down there.
Okay, but I'm not sure why this jaguar is in the middle of the ocean.
Oh no, it's not in the middle of the ocean. It's right here.
Other than that, everything else is accurate. But that's the park, the wildlife sanctuary over here, which is close to Placencia. Okay, so when they come down to see you, they're real close to seeing wild animals at the parks and out of the parks.
And out of the parks.
And also in the ocean next to you.
Of course.
And about how many dive sites do you go to out there in Placencia?
We go to many different destinations. We actually dive from here.
She goes all the way up there.
All the way to Turnef Island.
Uh-huh.
Down all the way to Southern Belize.
How long does it take you to get from one end to the other?
So from Placencia, to the barrier reef, it takes 45 minutes.
Okay.
45 minutes to get there.
Uh-huh.
And to the famous Blue Hole, it's far from everywhere, but from our location, it takes 3 hours and a half.
Okay, 3 hours to Blue Hole, which is a must-see if you're into Jacques Cousteau.
It's really beautiful. It's actually not specifically the Blue Hole, but the Lighthouse Reef is #1 dive destination in Belize.
For the booby birds?
Okay.
Okay, we'll go with that. Okay, and if they want more information about your operation?
And if you want to know a little bit more about us, then you can send us an email or check us out at www.splashbelize.com.
Perfect. Thank you very much.